Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast for tomorrow's exam. First, quickly review your syllabus or notes to pinpoint the most crucial topics. Focus on areas that carry significant weight or where you feel less confident. Gather all your textbooks, notes, and any practice questions into one accessible spot. This initial organization saves valuable time and ensures you have everything at your fingertips for an efficient study session. Next, engage in active recall to truly embed the information. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself using practice questions or flashcards. Try explaining complex concepts out loud as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Dedicate at least 1/3 of your study time to working through example problems, especially for subjects like math or science, to build confidence and speed. Strategic breaks are essential for sustained concentration. Aim for a 5-minute break every 25 to 30 minutes of intense study. During these short pauses, step away from your materials completely. Also, optimize your study environment. Ensure it is quiet, well-lit, and free from digital distractions. Keep a water bottle nearby and healthy snacks like fruit to maintain energy levels throughout your session. As your exam approaches, perform a quick, final review of your condensed notes or flashcards. Resist the urge to introduce entirely new material in the last hour. This can cause unnecessary anxiety. Prioritize getting a full night's sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, as rest significantly enhances memory consolidation and cognitive function. A well-rested mind performs far better than an exhausted one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.